start this craft, you'll need a cardboard base with a hole cut out of the center. A cake board works perfectly for this. You'll also need a book you don't mind cutting up, preferably with a lot of text. A few other things you'll need before we begin are a hot glue gun, a stapler, an X-Acto knife, which isn't necessary but makes things a bit easier, twine to hang the wreath. Also, a large clip is pretty helpful if you have one on hand. To get started, open your book to where the pages are full of text. This is where that clip comes in handy. And carefully slice along the seam to cut out the pages. Keep removing pages until you have about 60. And if using the X-Acto knife is too scary, feel free to tear the pages out instead. Now it's time to grab your pages and a stapler and settle in because you have a lot of rolling to do. Roll the pages in a cone shape with the corner facing out and staple at the end. Phew, that wasn't so bad, right? So before we can start attaching those pages to the wreath, tie your twine around the base to make the hanger. For the first layer of pages we attach, they will be facing down. Line up the bottom and staple it on, working in the following pattern. Lay them out first to see how many fit in each quarter segment. Go ahead and flip the wreath over to do the next layer. These will be attached facing up. Try to start the first piece slightly staggered from the bottom layer and continue filling in around the circle. For the last layer, you'll need your hot glue gun. There's no specific science to this, but basically attach the pieces about ½ an inch lower than the previous layer and wrap the end around to the back. I found it best to start the pattern with making the 4 segments again. When you fill the rest in, maybe try to lay them out first so you don't get stuck trying to squeeze the last ones in like I did. Now you have a beautiful wreath that can remind you of all the books that have gone unread during the busy holiday season. But no need to pack it away after the holidays. It can fit nicely into any decor. Enjoy!